Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Praveen Bhandari. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the use of Lumenfy as a short video making tool. Many a times we are interested in preparing the video. It may be for branding, maybe for promotion, maybe an educational video making. Since majority of us are not trained in a graphic design or video making skills, so these short video online making online tools will be very handy. One of the tool is Lumenfy. I'll be explaining about Lumenfy in a different parts. In this part one, first video, I'll be talking about what are the facility and features available in a Lumenfy. In a next video, I'll be demonstrating the use of Lumenfy for online video making. Now, if you are viewing or visiting to my YouTube channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, share it among your network. So now, without wasting the time, let us begin the demonstration. So since it is online video making tool, so we'll directly go to Google, type Lumenfy. So after this, the Lumenfy website and the address, this will appear. Now, if you have not signed up or used Lumenfy first, so you need to sign up for free. It is available as a free tool. It is also available as a license tool. In a license tool, the advantage is that logo of Lumenfy at the end of video does not appear. But for majority of the purpose, I think that even the free subscription will also serve the purpose. Since I am having my account, I'll be logging directly. So just enter email and password. Now, once you enter, it will direct it to the dashboard of Lumenfy. Now, bit by bit, I'll be explaining the different tabs which are available. This is all videos. So all video, already we are on this tab only. So it shows us all the video prepared in a Lumenfy. Now some are the finished videos, some are in a draft format. So I have tried it many times. So there are some drafts video available. There are some finished or published video available. Then there is next tab is known as instant video. So this instant video making tool will provide you a facility about preparing the instant video. But before proceeding to the instant video making tool, what I will do is I will try to demonstrate all the features of the Lumenfy. Now, to begin with, we have to click on new video tab. So let us click new video tab. Once you click it, you can see the different templates. Now, these are the templates of 2021 related to different subjects like related to finance, cyber, urban development, and employee survey. There are some templates related to news, ads, tutorials, and some old templates are also available. Now, what I will suggest is we'll skip this. The next is choosing the video format. Now, at the moment, I will skip this also because I am going to explain this video format afterwards. Now, this particular screen, which is visible to you, is displaying the different tabs or facility which are available in a Lumenfy. Now, let us begin with the first tab, that is story. So for preparing the video, you require a script. Now, there are two way by which the script to be used. Number one, you can directly import the script either from URL, from blogs, or from articles, or from some websites. So what you have to do is you just have to paste the URL of that website in this, and if you click the import, it will import the particular URL. And once that contents are imported from that particular URL, and you can see here it is mentioned, use AI, that is artificial intelligence, to select the best sentences and convert to video. So once the storyboard or story script is imported from particular URL, if you just click on this convert to video, it will automatically select the suitable story points, and it will prepare the different slides. And on each slide, it will try to, with the help of artificial intelligence, it will import some suitable images or videos, etc., etc. Many a times, those images or videos may not be appropriate. So in that circumstances, what we can do is we can select the appropriate media or images from this particular media tab. That is, there is the library of media in a Lumenfy, so that can also be used. But before seeing the features of media, let us try to understand the another way of using the script. So first is either we can import the story or script from certain URL or article, or we can write our story. Like say this, welcome to Lumenfy, Lumenfy can help you, etc., etc. So this is already the default written script. So this type of the story we can write depending upon the topic on which we wish to make the video. Say for example, welcome to online video making tool Lumenfy. Now this is my story point, right? So if I select this and if I just click on this, I can directly this add this story to this particular slide, or I can click on plus sign. You can see now, right? So the appropriate some image and this welcome to online video making tool Lumenfy is appeared. So if it is not, it was a default, so we'll just delete it, right? So we can either write the story point. Say for example, it has different media and resources for story for video making, right? So what I can do is I can just select this second statement in the script and I can click on this plus sign. So immediately this story point will appear on the second slide, right? And it will select certain image. It may or may not be appropriate, but as per some keywords, it will try to select the image, right? Now, so first we can import the story from URL, website, article, or blog. Second, we can write our own story. Then next, media. Now it has millions of photos and videos which are available in this particular Lumenfy library. And you can see there are videos, there are photos, and there are some editorials. Now, some videos, photos are free videos or photos, some are paid. Now, how will you recognize that which is paid, which is free? So if you just move the cursor over that particular media, immediately, if it is free, then you will be able to see the word free, right? Uh, if it is a paid one, then there will be an icon that it is paid. For example, suppose if I am typing certain things, say inertia. Now this is the free, this is free, right? Let us see whether there are any paid or okay. Now you can see it shows marketplace. This marketplace and this crown, it means that it is the paid. If we wish to use this particular media, we have to pay something for that. So this type of the icon indicate that these are available on payment only, and the free means you can freely use it. These are copyright free, right? Next, now either suppose if I'm interested in just photos, then I can just have a photos also. Now if I wish to remove the editorial, then I can remove the editorial images also. Now again, you can see this premium means what? It is not freely available, you have to pay for it, right? So just by when any media has this type of the icons or some symbols, it indicates that it is not the free one, right? So depending upon your requirement, you can either have a video, you can either have photos or some editorial media available. Then next is music. Now say for example, you may earlier the facility of voiceover was not available, right? Now what is the voiceover? Voiceover means you can record the presentation or the video in your own voice. Now let us understand how you can record it. So for that, you just have to click on record your voiceover, and then one countdown timer will start, and you can just say whatever you wish to say. But one thing, that whatever you want to say with for that particular slide, there has to be synchronization for the time with respect to time for that particular slide, and the time which is required for discussing that script or the content of that particular slide. So you can see now this slide will be available only for 3 seconds, or in front of you for 3 seconds. After that it will change. So if you wish to increase the time, you may increase the time. If you wish to decrease, you may decrease the time, right? Now I was talking about the music. That is earlier, since voiceover was not available, just the music, we used to select the music track. So the selecting the music track is optional. If you want to narrate in your own voice, you can record your own voiceover. If you don't want to say anything, just want to have a music track, then you can apply the appropriate music track. Say now I am applying the music track, It's a Good Life. Now how this is applied, let us see the preview. So like this, there are different music tracks available. Now these music tracks are available as per your mood, that if you are angry, if you want a bright, calm, dark, dramatic, funky, happy, inspiration, romantic, sad, all types of the music tracks are available, because you'll be preparing the videos for a different situation, and therefore suitable to that situation we can use the music track. Then next is style. Now style means what? You can have your own templates. Typically when you are interested in branding, uh, then next is your low this if you wish that your watermark or your logo shall be displayed in the corner of the video, then you have to have the license type of the license for Lumenfy. That means you have to use the paid version of the Lumenfy. For a free version, this facility is not available. Then appearance. Again, you can see this crown. It says that custom theming is available on a premium plan or view upgrade options, right? So as per the plan only we can have the custom theme, right? Now these palettes represent the color combination. You can see now, welcome to online video making Lumenfy, right? So the color combination is white, then black and pink. Suppose if I click on astronaut, then after some times you can see now it has changed to white and yellow. Suppose if I select some another palette, then you will find that it will change. If I select something else, then you will find that it has changed. So likewise you can have the colors thing. Next is font. Now there is a crown appearing. It means that this facility is not available for a free version. If you go for subscription, then and then only you can select the appropriate type of the font. Then next is format. Now you may be remembering that earlier I said that for the time being skip it because we are going to see this video format. Now here you have an option that you can have the video resolution. Now this 1080 HD video option is available only for premium, right? So since we are discussing about the free version, so by default whatever is available that we will be using. Then next is what is your objective, whether you wish to upload that video on Facebook as a news feed, or Instagram, or Twitter, or Snapchat, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, etc., etc. So based on your interest, you can select the appropriate video format. Again, you will realize that the aspect ratio, the way this particular width and height, this aspect ratio will change. So 16:9, 60 seconds. This is 1:1 aspect ratio. And again, in Facebook format, we can have maximum for this particular news feed, we can have a 60-second duration video. For story 20. Then on Insta 60 seconds, then 15 seconds, 120 seconds, Twitter 140 seconds. If I want to prepare a timeline video, then I can have 1:1 ratio and 140 seconds. I'll be selecting the YouTube as a video format because I wish to upload it on a YouTube. So by default it is selected. So I can have a maximum 3 minutes duration video in an aspect ratio of 16:9. So accordingly you can select the particular video format. Then just come back to the other features. You can now see this, my cursor is pointing the preview option. Now what is preview option? We can view slide. Now based on that we can customize the slide design. Even we have an option for customize. Suppose if I click on this particular slide, I can customize the font. Say for example, these fonts can be changed. Then the text size, say this is huge, this one is a small, right? uh, like this. See, I can separate the fonts also, means the distance between the fonts can be separated. We can bring them closer also. I can change the position of the font, say. Just you see how the position of the font is changing. So likewise, we can select the position of the font. So the next is time, for which the time duration for which that particular slide will be in front of the you. And now how to select the time? That time depend upon how much is the content in that slide and how much you wish to explain it. Suppose if you wish to explain it for a longer time, you may increase the time. If you just want to, so again you can see now maximum 15 seconds is the maximum limit for one slide. Huh? Uh, so it has to be less than 50 seconds. If it is simply a title, you may select a less time. If the content is more, you can have more time, right? The next is swap design. Swap design means what? You can change the template. So I'm clicking on the swap design, right? Now, before I change the template, let us try to understand what I wish to say by this. Now, you can see this, well, the contents are welcome to online video making tool Lumenfy. Now, whenever I'll be swapping the design, probably the design as well as the contents will also may appear. So say I'm interested in this particular design. So if I click on this, you can see now the contents have changed and the design has also changed. Accordingly, I can change the design also, right? So likewise, depending upon what do you expect, you can change the design, right? The content, the pictures, their position, the way they appear, everything can be changed as per the templates available. Then there is an option that you can change the order of the slide. Say for example, this second slide, I want it at first place, so I can just move up, right? Now, if I'm interested in adding a slide after the first slide, I just have to click on this plus sign. So if I click on the first line, the content will appear. Now, this particular, these are the default content. So you can type whatever you wish, right? So you may type as per your requirement and you may customize it. Even suppose I have explained already how we can increase the size, how we can change the position, right? So you can change the position, you can you can add the slide. Now I want to delete this slide. So if I want to delete, just see this icon, just like a dustbin with lid. So you can delete it. Now if I want to copy it, you can see copy scene. So I'll just copy it. You can see now this scene is copied. So there are various tools available. One thing you should understand, that in paid version, sorry, in a free version, the at the end of your particular video, always the Lumenfy icon will appear, right? So again, I'll just change the content. Online video making tool, right? Then what was the second? I'll just type here Lumenfy, right? Now I'll change the order. I will take this slide as the first slide, right? And now finally, if my presentation is ready, whatever the content I wanted to add or media I wanted to add. If it is ready, then I can preview how the presentation will. Right. So I have not used the voiceover option, but you have an option that you can add the voiceover also. And once you are satisfied with whatever you have done, then you can publish it, right? Before ending, I just want to say that if you are not satisfied with whatever the media is available, then you can just type whatever you want to search, and accordingly it will suggest certain media. Again, the media suggested may not be suitable or appropriate, so accordingly you just have to go on refining. Now if you click on the particular word, you can see that search by category, so it suggests the category also. Suppose if Lumenfy, if it is related to technology, then I can suppose I want to select certain things related to technology. Say if I am interested in searching something related to Newton, so you can see now these particular pendulums and all, so these are related to the Newton's law. So automatically it has the function library from which various resources will be available. Sometimes those resources will be appropriate for our content, sometimes they may not be appropriate. So if they are not appropriate, then you can upload the images or videos. Now these are the images and videos which I have uploaded. Now how do I upload? So first click on this upload image. Then what you can do is you can drag and drop the files which is present on a computer, or you can browse also. Now if you browse, and then after uploading, this particular resource will be available over here, and this you can directly this content, say for example I wish to add this content, so I have imported it, right? Now in this case I have to sweep the design because there is an overlap, right? So I'll be selecting plain white. And now just click ship this book over here. Just a moment. Sometimes depending upon the internet speed and all, the processing may take time, right? I'll just delete everything right now, and I'll just add this. Or what you can do is you can just sometimes just a minute. Actually the objective was okay. Now it is added, right? So please remember, the more you practice, the more you will understand exactly how the Lumenfy tools is to be used. Now there are various facilities available in Lumen. The more you practice, the more you will become proficient in using it, right? So you can either adjust the time, you can adjust the preview, you can adjust the soundtrack, you can search for the video for appropriate video format, you can apply proper music track. There is a facility for recording your own voiceover. You can import the story, you can type your own story. you can change the palette design, you can select the default theme. So all these facilities are available in a Lumenfy. So in the next part, I'll be explaining how this Lumenfy tool, online video making tool Lumenfy, can be used for preparing very short and engaging video. Thank you very much for patiently listening to my video till end. Once again, an appeal: if you are visiting my channel first time, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have liked it, then please share it among your network. Thank you very much. Now let us meet and try to observe the second video, where I'll be explaining the use of Lumen 5 for actual